This is Jason Swartz from Coding Streams of Language. In Excel Procedure 7.3, we're going to be filling in the core contingency tables that you created in Procedure 7.2. From your core contingency tables, we're going to write a formula that is going to look at data ranges that we had previously specified. The formula is $COUNTIFs, open parenthesis. Then we're going to go to the Insert menu, down to Name, Paste, and paste in the data range that contains the first dimension that we want to look at, in this case, speaker, a comma, and then click on the first code from the speaker dimension. Here it's Cheryl. Another comma, go back to the Insert menu, name, paste. This time it will be the second dimension, indexicality. Okay, a comma, and then click on cell B2 to get the code name that we're going to be using. Hit enter, and we get the codes that correspond between Cheryl and indexed. We can then drag this formula across as long as we lock some of our cells in place. Here we're going to lock cell A2, and then we're going to lock row 2 on B2 so that we can drag this formula across and it populates correctly. Then drag it down, and we get all of those corresponding values for our contingency table. Type in =sum and then sum the rows in order to get the totals for one coding dimension, and then sum the columns to get sums for your other coding dimension. Then we repeat the process for the other contingency tables. $COUNTIFs, open parenthesis, insert name, paste in the data field that you want to be analyzing, a comma, choose the code that you want to be looking at, another comma, name, paste the second data range, a comma, and the second code, close parenthesis. Again, we lock the cells that we want to remain the same, drag the formula across, and then drag the formula down, and then sum our rows and sum our columns. One more time, $COUNTIFs, open parenthesis, insert name, paste. This will be our third data range, management 1 speaker, comma, click on the cell for Cheryl, comma again, insert name, paste, management 1 indexicality, comma, click on indexical, close parenthesis. Then we lock the frames in place that we want to drag across. In this case, we're locking A19 and B18. Sum the rows and sum the columns. You can pause the video at any time to see what this formula looks like in its entirety. To be refreshed on how we create data ranges, look at Excel Procedure 7.1. To learn more, visit the WAC Clearinghouse at the link on the screen to download Coding Streams of Language for free.